Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install coilovers on a Nissan 240. I got BC Racing. I'll try to make it step by step as much as I can. I'll try to include everything I do, but it's pretty step forward, you know. It's nothing too complicated. It's literally just, you know, for the rear it's 2-3 bolts and that's it. And then for the front it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts and that's it. So it's nothing too complicated, nothing you shouldn't be able to do at home. It's really simple, really easy, and I'm gonna walk you guys through on how to do it. So first thing you're gonna want to do is I'm gonna install the rear first. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack up the rear end and I'm gonna jack it up from the differential. Okay, so let's back the coilover. First thing you want to do is go down here. If you follow along, right here, you want to break that bolt loose. It's gonna be a 17 mil. I broke it loose. Once you break that loose, you're gonna come up here. And then there's going to be 2 bolts right here. One right there, one right here. There's going to be a little panel blocking it, by the way. You want to pop that off. And then it's going to be a 12 mil. Just want to slide that on there. I already broke it loose. And you're going to twist those all the way off. Just take them all the way off. So you're going to slip it on through the bottom up to the top. You're going to tighten those, not all the way, just hand tight. After you hand tighten it, then you're going to put the bottom bolt in back in here. And then you're going to continue and tighten this all the way once that bottom bolt is on. And then you're going to want to torque that bolt down. You want to torque this down. I read on some forums, it said 65 to 80 foot-pounds, I think, or something like that. I'm just going to torque it down to 70 foot-pounds. And then up here is like 12 to 14 foot-pounds. Those aren't really doing anything. That's just holding it in place, so you don't need to do it too tight. So yeah, and then after you do that, put the wheel back on, and that's all you have to do for the rear. Then you just repeat on the other side. And it's that easy, just for the rear. And then the front, I'll show you how to do the front in a second. Alright guys, so now we're on the front side. And this one's easy also. This is going to be a 14 mil bolt, or yeah, 14 mil for the top 3. You're going to loosen those up. I did it backwards on the other one, my bad. Take the tire off, and then you're going to loosen up these 2 bolts, and then take off the brake line, which my brake line wasn't even hooked up. Sweet. And then once you unbolt those 2, let this drop down, and then loosen these ones up, and that's going to plop out. So it says torque it down to 115 foot-pounds on the front, so that's what I'm going to do. There you go. It's on my shirt. Then once you have the brake line back on, this is all torqued down to spec. Once you have that done, you're going to want to put the tire back on, and that's it for the front. It's that easy. Do the same for the other side. And then for the back, when I lowered it, I don't think I had it before, but it was pretty much like a whole 2 fists up high. Now it's like 3 fingers, maybe 2, like an inch, maybe something like that. I'm going to let them settle, and I'm going to lower it some more. I'm going to show you what it looks like after I lower the front also. So now I have this side installed. It's all done. I have all 4 coilovers in. I'm about to throw the wheel on and lower the car and see how much lower it is. I'm going to let it settle, and then after I let it settle, I'm going to lower it some more just to make it look nice. Don't be like me. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I put that one on wrong. That was stupid of me. It has to go in like this, so it's adjust your camber. My dumbass, you're not going to be able to adjust anything like that. I'm going to fix that. Don't do it like that. Make sure it's like this. And then once you have that done, that's how you do the coilovers. It's something really simple, almost anyone can do. Literally common hand tools. I showed you all the tools I used, and I torqued everything down. It's all good to go. Alright, so I fixed both of them, so they're both good now. That's how they're supposed to look. Now I'm going to lower the car and see how it looks. Even though I haven't lowered it yet, I can already tell it's lowered quite a bit, a few inches for sure. The old ones, I'll show you what the old ones look like. They were pretty bad. I don't even know what brand they are. They just came with the car and we slapped it on just because, you know, I said we have it, so let's do it. But finally, I got real coils on here. So yeah, let's go ahead and drop it down and see how it looks. Now let's see how it looks. Honestly, I don't think it lowered it too much, but it still looks good. It looks a lot better than it did. And I'm 100% sure it's going to ride a lot better than before, because before it was all like jumping all over the place. That's pretty much it. That's how you install coilovers. Pretty straightforward, you know, just follow along. It's nothing too hard. It only took me like an hour and 50 minutes. So pretty much 2 hours. Nothing crazy. If you have like electric tools or an air compressor, it's a lot easier, a lot quicker. I just used hand tools just because that's what I had laying around. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.